Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter, 24K on Instagram, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the very cool Citizen CZ smartwatch. It's the YF20 model. Comes with the wireless charging adapter with USB type A right there. And then here's the watch. So that's how you start it. It has like an e-ink display. And then to get it back, just tap it a few times and there you go. It's different faces. It works with the iPhone and Android, the latest versions of both. It's very large, it's very nice. It's a little heavy too, so I like that. Again, it's super easy to get it to show the different screens. And of course with the app, it shows you your different notifications if you want. And there you go. This is the new Citizen smartwatch, YF20 model. Works with iPhone and Android, and it charges up with this wireless adapter right there. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.